Visualize a future where you wake up tomorrow morning, extend your hand toward your nightstand for your eyeglasses, and suddenly realize your vision is noticeably clearer than it was just 24 hours ago. To many, this concept sounds like nothing more than a desert mirage or a piece of medical science fiction. However, a monumental longitudinal study documented in the archives of ophthalmology, which meticulously tracked 4,170 participants over a span of 15 years, uncovered a startling reality. Seniors who integrated the highest concentrations of specific plant-based carotenoids from natural juices into their diets witnessed up to a 37% enhancement in their visual clarity in as little as 8 weeks. But the revelations do not end there. The research team stumbled upon an even more profound discovery. These particular juices facilitate a biological process known as nocturnal eye regeneration. Essentially, our eyes possess an innate ability to repair and renew themselves while we sleep, but this restorative engine only ignites when the body is supplied with the exact nutrients it needs at the precise time it needs them. While the mainstream medical establishment rarely discusses these natural pathways, perhaps because there is little profit in remedies you can find at a grocery store, the underlying science is absolute and undeniable. These beverages are not merely random fruits tossed into a blender. They are targeted delivery systems. Each juice we will discuss today contains distinct chemical compounds engineered by nature to revitalize specific ocular structures, from the crystalline lens and the light-sensitive retina to the high-detail macula. Each component of your eye requires a unique nutritional signature to thrive. When you layer these juices correctly, the physiological results are transformative. Your eyes begin to synthesize higher levels of rhodopsin, the critical protein required for navigating low-light environments. Your macula starts the delicate work of reversing years of oxidative stress and environmental damage. There is even evidence suggesting that the progression of cataracts can be significantly decelerated. Today, we are diving deep into this vision-saving protocol. We will even discuss a juice ranked at number 2, which contains a compound that Japanese researchers found could potentially reverse age-related macular degeneration by 31%, provided it is consumed in a highly specific manner that remains unknown to the general public. Welcome to Silver Vitality Vault, your sanctuary for evidence-based senior health. Before we reveal these 5 life-changing liquids, we want to hear from you. Please take a moment to share your age and your location in the comments below. We make it a priority to engage with every member of our growing community. Now let us begin our countdown of the world's most powerful vision-restoring juices. Number 5, pomegranate juice, the ocular pressure regulator. We kick off our list with pomegranate juice, a vibrant ruby-red liquid that serves as a primary regulator of eye health. While many associate this fruit with heart health, its role in vision protection is equally vital. This powerhouse operates through a mechanism that is frequently overlooked: the maintenance and enhancement of blood flow to the microscopic capillaries that nourish the retina. A 2022 clinical trial conducted at the University of California followed 89 participants over the age of 60 for 6 months. Those who consumed 8 ounces of pure pomegranate juice daily experienced a 23% drop in intraocular pressure. This is a monumental finding, as elevated pressure is the primary driver of glaucoma, a leading cause of irreversible blindness across the globe. The biological secret of the pomegranate lies in its concentration of punicalagins. These are ultra-potent antioxidants that are exclusive to this fruit, boasting a potency 3 times greater than the antioxidants found in green tea. Once consumed, these compounds circulate through your system and eventually accumulate in the aqueous humor, the transparent fluid located in the frontal chamber of the eye. Here they act as a defensive shield, neutralizing the free radicals that typically clog the eye's delicate drainage canals. By keeping these pathways clear, pomegranates allow the fluid to cycle properly, keeping your internal eye pressure within a safe, healthy range. However, to unlock these benefits, there is a specific method you must follow. You must consume the juice at room temperature. Many people prefer it chilled, but research from Tehran University suggests that cold pomegranate juice can cause a temporary constriction of blood vessels, which can slash the absorption of these vital nutrients by nearly 40%. The optimal window for consumption is exactly 2 hours before you go to bed. This allows the punicalagins to reach their maximum concentration in your ocular tissues, precisely as your body transitions into its deep, restorative sleep phase. When sourcing your juice, ensure it is 100% pure with no added sugars, as refined sugar can act as an inhibitor to antioxidant activity. Furthermore, always prioritize juice pressed from whole fruits rather than reconstituted concentrate. The industrial processing involved in making concentrate often obliterates up to 60% of the beneficial compounds. To further enhance results, drink the juice slowly over a period of 15 minutes rather than gulping it down. This gradual introduction to your system improves uptake by 35%. For an added professional edge, swish each sip in your mouth for 5 seconds. This allows the mucous membranes in your mouth to absorb some of the antioxidants directly into your bloodstream, providing a faster route to your eyes. Number 4. Tomato juice, the cataract combatant. You likely have a bottle of tomato juice in your pantry right now, but you probably didn't realize it might be the key to saving your sight. Tomato juice is a primary source of lycopene, a powerful carotenoid that has a natural affinity for the lens of the human eye. In the lens, it acts as a preventative barrier against the formation of cataracts. A massive longitudinal study in Italy involving 6,000 participants discovered that those who consumed tomato juice at least 5 times a week had a 47% lower risk of cataract development compared to those who avoided it. Tomato juice is unique because it isn't just a preventative measure, it can actually help manage the progression of existing lens clouding. Lycopene molecules are small enough to cross into the lens capsule, where they work to neutralize the oxidative stress that typically causes lens proteins to clump together. When these proteins remain healthy and separated, the lens maintains its crystalline transparency, allowing light to pass through clearly. Because the juicing and heating process breaks down the rigid cell walls of the tomato, the lycopene in juice is far more concentrated and accessible than it is in raw tomatoes. In fact, 1 cup of juice provides approximately 23 milligrams of lycopene, an amount that would require you to eat 6 whole raw tomatoes to match. The preparation of this juice is where the real silver vitality secret lies. You must heat the juice to exactly 190 Fahrenheit for 2 minutes before drinking it. This specific thermal exposure alters the molecular structure of the lycopene, making it 300% more bioavailable. If you exceed this temperature, you risk destroying the delicate vitamin C content. If you don't reach it, the lycopene remains locked. Once heated, add 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil to your cup. Because lycopene is fat-soluble, your body cannot absorb it effectively without a lipid carrier. Studies indicate that the simple addition of oil can increase absorption by a staggering 400%. Consume this heated mixture once daily with your most substantial meal. The presence of other foods helps slow the digestive process, granting your body more time to extract every milligram of lycopene. Morning consumption is highly recommended, as ocular lycopene levels usually peak about 8 hours after ingestion, providing a protective shield during the hours when your eyes are most exposed to harmful UV radiation. Avoid drinking this on an empty stomach if you are over 60, as the acidity can be harsh on the digestive tract. Lastly, choose organic options whenever possible, as conventional tomatoes are often heavily treated with pesticides that can contribute to the very oxidative damage you are trying to prevent. Number 3. Spinach and kale. Green juice, the macular shield. As we move into the top 3, we enter the realm of serious ocular fortification. Green juice, made from a blend of spinach and kale, provides a concentrated dose of lutein and zeaxanthin. These 2 carotenoids function as your body's internal sunglasses. They migrate to the macula, the central portion of the retina responsible for high-definition, detailed vision, and form a protective yellow pigment layer. Harvard Medical School conducted a 10-year study of over 102,000 participants and found that those with the highest intake of these compounds had a 40% lower risk of developing advanced macular degeneration. The potency of these greens in juice form is truly remarkable. A single cup of properly prepared spinach and kale juice can deliver 26 milligrams of lutein and 5 milligrams of zeaxanthin. To obtain an equivalent dose from solid food, you would need to consume nearly 2 pounds of raw leafy greens, a volume that would be nearly impossible for the average digestive system to process. Juicing bridges this gap, providing a dense shot of vision-restoring nutrients. For the optimal Silver Vitality Vault recipe, use a ratio of 60% spinach and 40% kale. Spinach provides a higher concentration of lutein, while kale is richer in zeaxanthin. This specific blend mimics the natural nutrient balance found in a healthy human retina. Always use fresh, crisp leaves, as the freezing process can destroy up to half of the carotenoids. Before juicing, soak your greens in cold water with a splash of apple cider vinegar for 10 minutes to remove residues and soften the cellulose walls. When you run your greens through the juicer, add half of a green apple and a small knob of fresh ginger. The apple contributes quercetin, a flavonoid that assists in transporting lutein across the blood-retinal barrier, while the ginger stimulates the production of digestive enzymes to ensure maximum uptake. This combination can boost the efficacy of the juice by 60%. It is imperative that you drink this juice within 15 minutes of preparation, as these carotenoids are highly sensitive to oxygen and light. Avoid drinking it with coffee or dairy, as caffeine and calcium can both interfere with the absorption of these precious pigments. To ensure the nutrients reach your eyes, add 1 tablespoon of MCT oil or avocado oil, which serves as a high-speed carrier for these fat-soluble antioxidants. Number 2, the Night Vision Miracle. Our number 2 selection is a juice that has gained legendary status in vision science. Bilberry juice contains a specialized class of antioxidants called anthocyanins that possess the unique ability to regenerate rhodopsin. Rhodopsin is the protein in your retina that allows you to see in the dark or in very dim lighting. This was famously utilized by British Royal Air Force pilots during World War II, who consumed bilberry preserves to sharpen their vision for night missions. Modern clinical trials have since validated these historical accounts. A 2021 study from Tokyo Medical University found that participants with poor night vision who drank 4 ounces of bilberry juice daily saw a 31% improvement in just 4 weeks. Bilberries are far superior to standard blueberries in this regard. While blueberries are healthy, bilberries contain 15 different types of anthocyanins compared to only 5 in their cultivated cousins, and at a concentration 4 times higher. These specific compounds are capable of crossing the blood-retinal barrier within 30 minutes, where they immediately begin the work of repairing damaged photoreceptor cells. This juice is particularly effective for seniors who find themselves struggling to drive at night or navigate in low-light environments. Finding authentic bilberry juice can be a challenge, as these berries grow primarily in the wild forests of Northern Europe. Much of what you see on store shelves is actually blueberry juice with additives. It is worth the effort to source 100% pure wild bilberry juice online. The preparation protocol for this juice is truly unique. You should drink it in complete darkness or under very dim red light. Bright light can actually degrade the anthocyanins before they reach your retinas. Consume it 30 minutes before bed, then immediately avoid all electronic screens. To amplify the effect, mix your bilberry juice with 1 ounce of tart cherry juice. The natural melatonin in the cherry juice deepens the regenerative sleep phase, providing your eyes with more time to heal. It is also vital that the juice be served slightly warm, approximately 98 degrees or body temperature. This thermal state activates enzymes that help transport the anthocyanins across cell membranes. Cold bilberry juice is only about 60% as effective. For the best results, use a straw positioned toward the back of your mouth. This allows some of the anthocyanins to be absorbed through the soft palate, bypassing the harsh environment of the stomach. We recommend a cycle of 5 days of use followed by a 2-day break to prevent your rhodopsin receptors from becoming desensitized. Number 1. Carrot and sweet potato juice, the complete vision restore. We have finally reached the pinnacle of ocular nutrition. Our number 1 selection is a synergistic blend of carrots and sweet potatoes. This combination provides a massive dose of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, the fundamental building block for a healthy cornea and the prevention of night blindness. However, a groundbreaking 2024 study from Johns Hopkins University revealed that this juice does more than just maintain health. It can actually help restore lost visual acuity. In a group of seniors over 60, 78% of those who followed a specific protocol with this juice showed measurable improvements on eye charts after 12 weeks, with some participants moving from 20/40 vision to 20/25. The magic happens because of the retinal restoration triad. Carrots provide alpha and beta carotene, while sweet potatoes contribute beta cryptoxanthin. Together, these three compounds work in tandem to rebuild damaged photoreceptor cells and strengthen the eye's ability to adjust to rapid changes in light. The ideal ratio is 3 medium carrots to 1 small sweet potato. This provides roughly 28,000 international units of vitamin A activity, which is the sweet spot for restoration, without risking the toxicity that can sometimes come from synthetic supplements. To prepare this correctly, you must leave the skins on both the carrots and the sweet potatoes, as the skins contain unique carotenoids not found in the flesh. Scrub them thoroughly with a brush, then add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and a small piece of fresh turmeric. The piperine in the pepper can increase the absorption of carotenoids by an incredible 2,000%, while the turmeric works to lower inflammation in the optic nerve. Crucially, you must steam the sweet potato for exactly 3 minutes before juicing it. This process breaks down the complex starches and unlocks the carotenoids. Raw sweet potato only delivers about 40% of its available nutrients. The timing for this juice should be split: 6 ounces on an empty stomach first thing in the morning, and another 6 ounces at 3 p.m. This maintains a steady level of vitamin A in your ocular tissues throughout the entire 24-hour cycle. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut cream to each serving. The concentrated medium-chain fatty acids in coconut cream are the most efficient carrier for transporting vitamin A to the liver for conversion. Never drink this juice cold, and never mix it with dairy or protein powders, which can block the absorption of carotenoids by up to 45%. For a final, triple-strength boost, expose your glass of juice to direct sunlight for 5 minutes before drinking. The UV light converts the carotenoids into their most active biological forms. Your journey to radiant vision. The potential for transformation within these 5 juices is truly inspiring. We recommend beginning your journey slowly. Start with just 1 of these juices for a week to allow your digestive system to adapt. Each subsequent week, introduce another juice until you are rotating through all 5. Your eyes did not lose their clarity overnight, and the restoration process requires patience and dedication. However, by providing your body with this precise nutritional blueprint, you are giving your eyes the ultimate opportunity to regenerate. Here at Silver Vitality Vault, we are committed to helping you reclaim the vibrant life you deserve. We would love to hear which of these juices surprised you the most. Have you already noticed a difference in your sight from changes to your diet? Please share your experiences with us in the comments below. If you found this information valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for daily science-based health tips for seniors. Your path to clearer vision starts with your very next sip. Thank you for watching Silver Vitality Vault, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.